Hey guys, in this video we're excited to show you the installation procedure for our auto start stop and then motion bypass for the 25 and newer Navigator. You're going to start the install by removing the plastic tray in the lower compartment. This comes out and now you have the radio plug exposed. Alright, we're going to open up the lower panel to get access to the OBD plug. Alright, now we'll remove the plug from the A-pin. Alright, release the latch and the plug will slide out. Alright, we always push as far as we can with the latch open. Alright, only once it's all the way in, we'll close the latch, and now you're going to connect the original cable with my cable. Alright, now I'm going to switch sides and we're going to make the connection at the OBD. Alright, now we're going to connect the OBD plug. Just move the panel to snake the wires through. Remove the original OBD plug by depressing the lever on the side. Alright, combine our plug with the original and then slide our OBD. Alright, and you're done.